Yes! Kasama ang transaction coordination.
Wait, gawin natin nga. Medyo formal ang presentation. Ikaw ba ay walang idea kung paano maging freelancer? Tapos palagi mo nakikita yung mga dati mong office mate na nagtatrabaho as real estate VAs. Palagi mo nakikita yung mga commercial tungkol sa Reva or real estate VA pero hindi mo naman paano magsisimula. Saan nga ba pwede mag-apply as Reva? Ano yung mga magagandang agencies na may magandang benefits na pwede kang mag-start? Wala kang call center experience pero gusto mo sanang mag-start na magtrabaho sa bahay. Kung ikaw ito, then this training might be the one for you. Hi, my name is Mary, and I've been working from home since 2009. I started working as a real estate virtual assistant in 2011, and natigil lang ako nung medyo nagkaroon ng pandemya at medyo nag-switch na tayo ng ibang niche because learn and earn. And without further ado, I wanna welcome everyone here who are actually looking to get that training kasi matagal na itong nire-request ng mga babies ko. The Zero to Reva in 8 hours. Pak! So, gaya ng tanong, gaya ng tanong ni Kagang, yes. So, sasakupin natin yung discussion from prospecting, from general virtual assistant, to offers coordination, repairs coordination, lahat ng roles na pwede mong pasukan as a real estate VA, including but not limited to the transaction coordination, which is, I think, pinakang in-demand siya ngayon. This is not a free training, guys, ha. May bayad to dahil specialization to. Alam nyo na yan. 8 hours siya. And to enroll, just click the link on my bio. Click nyo Itechua. Pak! Ito yung detalye ng training. Nandiyan siya sa loob ng form. It might ask you to log in sa email ninyo para makapag fill up kayo ng form, ha. A few reminders. Number 1, to reserve your slot po, you have to have a screenshot of your payment at ilalagay niyo yan dyan sa mismong form. Kailangan po may computer because dire-diretso po tayo simula sa basics ng freelancing up until pag-a-apply. Yes, mag-a-apply kayo mga mami as real estate VAs at the end of the training. Oo, mag-a-apply kayo. As in mag-a-apply kayo. Diretsyong klase tapos apply as in within that 8 hours. Sulit, diba? Real quick, let's talk about the benefits of what you will learn if you enroll in this paid class. Number 1, you will learn the basics of freelancing. Number 2, you will learn how to start working from home. Number 3, you will learn how to create cover letter that's specifically targeting real estate agents or brokers. So, pwede kayo mag-apply diretso as real estate VAs or Reva. Reva na lang para mabilis. You'll also learn cold calling. You'll also learn, what else? Where to apply. And yes, dire-diretso pong apply ito. Kaya dapat meron kayo sarili yung computer pag nagsali kayo sa training. Mga mami, limited slots lang ha. Alam nyo na, baka mamaya magsabi na naman kayo na nahuli kayo. Okay, bye.